So we start only 60 are there. Strength is only 60. Okay, we'll start. So in the last class we studied regarding theory about PAL and PLA. So PLA is programming logical array. PAL is PLA programming logical array. PAL programming array logic. So what is the difference between these two is here and is programmable and is programmable or is fixed. R is fixed. We cannot change anything here. Okay. But in PLA, both and are both and are programmable. Or programmable. Programmable means that will be there in your hand. You can take however you want. But is fixed means you cannot take however you want. So PLA both are programmable. PAL and is programmable or is fixed. So this is the main point you need to remember. Any doubts in that? If no doubts, then we'll start with the problem. But you can expect either problem or theory from this part. Problem or theory. One sure question will be there. Is any doubts in this? Or we can start with problem. Okay. Take on the problem. Implement the following given equation. Implement sorry. Once again. Implement the following given equation using PLA using PLA using ROM and PAL. PAL. Repeat the question. Implement the following given equations. Implement the following given equations using first one PLA, second one ROM, third one PAL, Take on the expression x equal to a b bar b plus a bar c bar plus bc plus c bar d bar Okay. Next y equal to a bar c bar plus a bar c bar plus ac plus c bar d bar Okay. z equal to cp plus a bar c C bar plus A B bar D. So these are the three equations they are given. A B bar D, A bar C bar, B C, C bar D bar. A bar C bar, A C, C bar D bar, C D plus A bar C bar, A B bar. So they are given the three expression. The expression is in the form of SOP. So first question is using the PLA. Guys, have you copied the question? Have you copied the question? Okay. Don't copy now because this is the first problem I am solving. Listen here. So first we need to solve this using PLA. Using PLA. PLA means both are programmable. AND gate as well as OR gate both are programmable. So before constructing the circuit, I need to draw the PLA table. We need to write the PLA table. What is the PLA table consisting of? PLA table consisting of products. PLA table consisting of products. Then inputs, then outputs. Outputs. Okay. What are the product terms? Write down. Then inputs. What are the inputs? Variables are there. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And output is X, Y, Z. Output is X, Y, Z. Let me write in the text only. Product terms. Product terms. Then inputs. What are the inputs we have? We have A, B, C, D. Similarly, I have output. So what are the outputs? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Okay. So this is called as a PLA table. First we need to write the PLA table. So what is the first term? Look at the output equation. What they are given? Given equation. X is made up of, what is the first term? A, B bar D. A, B bar, A, B bar D, which means that what is the value of A? Value of A is 1. What is the value of B? It's 0. What is value of C? C is not appeared. The term C is not there in that particular term. So it is considered as a hyphen. What is D? D is 1. Next, we'll fill the, okay, we'll fill the year only. Okay, this product is appeared in the variable A or output X, output function X. So we'll see YZ later, or we'll see now only. Okay, A bar, A, B bar D. A, B bar D, where else it is present? A, B bar D, is it present in Y? No, it's not there in Y. Check at Z, is it there? Yes, it's present in the Z. So Y value is hyphen because it doesn't exist in the, it as a 0, it doesn't exist in the Y equation. So the output Z, it is present, so it's 1. It is 1. Take down the next product. What's the next product? A bar C bar. Next product is A bar C bar. Okay, what is the value of variable A? Value of the variable A is 0. B doesn't exist, so hyphen. What about C? C is 0. What about D? D doesn't exist, so it's a hyphen. Where A bar C bar is present, A bar C bar is present in the output equation X, so it is 1. Is it present in Y? Is this present in Y? Yes, it's present in Y also. So it is 1. Is it present in Z? A bar, C bar? Yes, it's present in Z also. So all the three output variables are 1 because it is that corresponding product is existing in all the output equation. Guys, any doubts? Okay. Any doubts as of now? Similarly, write down for the next product. What is my next product? Next product is BC. BC. Okay, next product is BC. What is the value of variable A? Variable A doesn't exist. So hyphen, what is value of B? It's exists. It's 1. What about C? It exists. It's 1. What about D? It doesn't exist. So BC present where? In the variable X. So it's 1. 1. What about Y? BC? No. It doesn't exist. 0. What about C? C also doesn't exist. So it is 0. Next product is C bar D bar. C bar D bar. What is the value of variable A? Value of variable A doesn't exist. Hyphen. What about B doesn't exist? Hyphen. C is exist. The value is 0. D exists. The value is 0. So in how many output functions that corresponding C bar D bar is existing? It is existing in X. It existing in X. So it is 1. What about Y? Is it existing in Y? Yes, it's existing in Y. So it's 1. What about Z? Z is not there. So it is a 0. It's a 0. Next, next product. A bar C bar. A bar C bar is already done. A bar C bar is already done. No need to use once again. Next term is AC. Next term is AC. Okay. So A is existing, value is 1, B doesn't exist, hyphen, C exists, the value is 1, B doesn't exist, so it's hyphen. Where AC is present, AC is present in the Y. Is it existing in X? No. So 0, 0. Is it existing in Y? Yes. So it's 1. What about Z? Z it doesn't exist. So it is 0. So it is 0. What about next product? C bar D bar. Have we did it? Yes. C bar D bar is completed. So next to come to the Z equation and check the products. CD. Have we done with CD? No. CD is not yet done. So A is existing, no hyphen. B is existing, no hyphen. C is existing, yes. What is the value? 1. D is existing, yes. D is existing, it's 1. So CD is appeared in how many equations? CD, is it there in X? No. What about B? No. What about Z? Yes, it's existing. So 1. So next term, next product A bar C bar, it is already done. Next A B bar D, A B bar D also done. So we don't have any more product to insert in the PLA table. So this is the PLA table we got from the given equation. So how many products are there? If it is repeated, no need to repeat. Once if you write enough. If the corresponding input variable is existing, what is its value? If it is A, write it as a 1. If it is A bar, write it as a 0. If the corresponding variable doesn't exist, then make it as a 1 in the input variable. Suppose in the output variable, in that corresponding output variable, if the corresponding product is appeared, then make it as a 1, otherwise it will be 0. So this is how we are constructing the PLA table. Okay. Guys, any doubts? Any doubts in the PLA table? How to write the PLA table? Okay. Once it is ready, now you can write the PLA structure. Once it is ready, you can write the PLA structure. How to write the PLA structure? So now I'm going to write the, hope you people copied this equation. I'm going to cut it. Now I'm writing the PLA structure. PLA structure. So what is it is made up of? It is made up of AND array and OR array. So here both are programmable. Both are programmable. Both are programmable means it will be in your and so however you want you can take. So how many inputs are there? There are four inputs. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Similarly, we want A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar also. Correct, right? How we are obtaining A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar by inserting NOT gate. By inserting NOT gate, we will get A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay. So now inputs are ready. Now inputs are ready. How many products are required? Six products are required. How many products are required? Six products are required. Six products means six AND gate. Six products means six AND gate. Six AND gate. Okay. Or you can write one by one also. It's not necessary you have to take all the six together. Okay, what is the first product? A, B bar, D. So it's like this. So first term is A, B bar, D. So just check the notes what you are written for PLA structure. Have you mentioned dot or cross? Because we will be specifying with two symbols. One is X, one is dot. Okay, dot. Will we fix to that only, dot only? Shall we fix to dot for PLA? Okay, fine. Otherwise, by seeing the textbook or in net and all, don't get worry. Okay. So, side of your notes, make a note. We are using dot for PLA or programming. We are using dot for programming. So in the PLA, both are programming. So we are going to do the connection with dot. We are going to do the connection with dot. So A is here, or I'll use the different color. Who is that mute? A, B bar. Where I will get B bar? Here I will get B bar. Next is D. Where is D? So here I have D. So these are the three inputs I am giving for this first AND gate. First AND gate is three input AND gate. As a product here I will get A B bar D. As a product I will get A B bar D. Okay. Next AND gate. Next product. Next product. So what is the next product? A bar C. A bar C. So here we have two inputs. So two input AND gate is enough. A bar C bar. So where I will get A bar? Here I will get A bar. Next I will get C bar. Where I will get C bar? C bar is here. Okay. So take these two inputs and give it to two input AND gate. So as a product here I will get A bar C bar. As a product I will get A bar C bar here. So what is the third product? Third product is BC. Third product is BC. Where you have B, B is here, C is here. So take these two inputs and connect it to this AND gate. As a product you will get, as a result you will get product BC. Okay. Next product is C bar D bar. C bar D bar. C bar is here, D bar is here. Okay, take these two as input and connect to the fourth or two input AND gate. So as a product you will get C bar D bar. C bar D bar. Next product is AC. Next product is AC. So A is here, A is here, C is here. Connect these two input for this two input and get result you will get product AC. So last one CD. So this is C, so this is D. So you'll get C here. Okay, guys, have you copied the table? Have you copied? Have you copied the table? Others? Guys, have you copied the table? Okay, if you are not copied also, don't worry, I will display in the PPT. Okay. Here it is required. I'll keep it here. Okay, I'll keep it here. To make the connection, it is required. So now I got the products. Now what I want? Now I want the output function. So what are the output function? X, Y, Z. So how many OR gates are required? How many OR gates are required? Can anyone tell? OR gates. Anyone tell how many OR gates are required? Correct. Very good. So we require 3 OR gates, one for each output function. One for each output function. If I select this, three OR gates are required. So this gives X, this gives Y. This gives Z. Okay. Is consisting of. So what are the products? So here, look column wise. First one, two, three, four. First to four products. First to four products. Guys, remember here both are programmable. Both are programmable. So we are going to use the notation dot. We are going to use the notation dot. So first to four products are used. First to four products are used to represent the output function f. So make a connection of first to four products. Let's take these four products and connect it to four input OR gate. So this is going to give your output function s. Similarly, y product. Y, look at the y column, second and fourth and fifth. Second, second is a bar c bar, a bar c bar. Next is c bar d bar, c bar d bar, and next is AC, ACCM. So take these two three products and connect it to three input OR gate that gives the output function Y. Similarly, Z. Z is presented first product, that is A, B bar D. Next A bar C bar is here. Next is last product. Next is last product, it is CD. Okay, take these two products and connect it to three input OR gate. This is going to give your output function Z. So this is how we are going to write the PLA structure. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts? Okay, copy it fast. First you need to write the PLA table, then PLA structure. ಹಲೋ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ Guys, copy it fast. Guys, if you have any doubts, you can clarify. Copied. I want everyone to write. Guys, you hope you know that you got the information yesterday. So for the second internals, you will be getting the 5 questions. It's not from assignment questions. Means all the problems are, it may be a theory or problems. If it is problems, all the values will be changed. So don't stick on to 12 questions. You have to go through all the problems what I solved in the regular class. Have you people got that information yesterday? Yes. You people are beware of that don't stick on to 12 questions. Finished? Can you share the question bank as well? Aditya Raj, I can share the question, but if you see, your mind may get confused, but don't worry about all those things. Just you can pick the questions and you can see. I'll share. End of the class, I will share. Guys, copied? Yes, done. So what is the second sub question? We need to rig up using, is it PL or ROM? ROM. Okay. ROM construction. Okay. So before constructing, we need to write the truth table. We need to write the truth table. So what is the truth table consisting of? A, B, C, D as a input and output X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. So how to write the truth table? How to write the truth table? So first write down all the 16 combinations. Write down all the 16 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, double 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Hope we have all the combination. 4, 8. Have I left any combination? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I missed so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. One, 1, 0. Somewhere it missed again order. So here we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 4, 12, 13, 13. Okay, correct. So now how to fill the output column? How to fill the output column? Check here. What is the first product? First product is A B bar D. A, B bar, D. Means value of A is 1, value of B is 0, value of D is 1. So here the variable C is not there. Variable C is not there. Means when A equal to 1, B equal to 0, D equal to 1 with irrespective value of C. With irrespective value of C, X will be 1. X will be 1. So where you can find A equal to 1, A equal to 1, last 8 combinations, then B equal to 0, first 4 combination, D equal to 1, D equal to 1. Let me write using the different convention. See, A equal to 1, D equal to 1, A equal to 1, D equal to 1, here you can find A equal to 1, B equal to 0, D equal to 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, D equal to 1. These two combination with irrespective value of C. With irrespective value of C, X will be 1. X will be 1. X will be 1. Okay. Next, A bar, C bar. A bar, C bar means A is 0, C is 0. Where you will get AC 0, A 0 here, C 0 here, 2 are there, here 2 are there. See here. AC0, AC0, A0, C0, A0, C0 means with irrespective value of variable B and D. Without irrespective value of variable B and D, for these combinations X will be 1. For these combinations X will be 1. Guys, are you getting how I am filling? Are you getting how I am filling the truth table? Others? Continue. You people also fill. You people also start writing. Those who got, continue, start writing. Those who didn't get, follow me. Okay. So next product I have BC. So value of B is 1, value of C is 1. So don't worry about value of A and don't worry value of D. So where B equal to 1, C equal to 1, find. Both should be 1. So here I have. I'll use the different color for BC. B equal to 1, C equal to 1. Here I have. Here I have. Where else you have BC 1, 1? Here. B equal to 1, C equal to 1, B equal to C equal to 1. So in the third product, you need to concentrate on the variable B and C. Don't worry about the value of A and value of D. With irrespective value of A and D, whether it is 0 or 1, wherever B equal to 1, wherever C equal to 1, make it as a 1. Make it as a 1. Make it as a 1. So third product is done. Third product is done. Next, C bar, D bar. C equal to 0, D equal to 0. C equal to 0, D equal to 0. Don't worry about AB. Where you will get A bar, B bar. Sorry, C equal to 0, D equal to 0. Take those two combinations. Both should be 0. Here I have. Here I have. C equal to 0, D equal to 0. C equal to 0, D equal to 0. Here I have. Here I have one more. I got only three here. C equal to 0, D equal to 0. So for these, I think I marked with green color. You can make a notify of that. So for these four combination where C equal to 0, D equal to 0 with the respective value of a variable A and B, you have to put it 1. So for this combination is already 1. No, don't worry. For this combination is already 1. Don't worry. For this combination, no, 1 is not there in the output. So insert 1 here. So insert 1 here. Again, one more combination here. It is there. Put it 1 here also. So all the four products are over now. All the four products are over. So for remaining combination, put it 0. For remaining combination, put it 0. Put it 0. Guys, clear or still anyone is having doubt? Others Aditya, Shivani, and Ananya. Have you cleared or still you have doubts? Yes. So fill for Y and Z similarly. Fill for Y and Z. So Y A bar C bar. A bar C bar means AC should be 0. AC 0 I have here. 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 Okay, next AC equal to 1. AC equal to 1. AC equal to 1. Here, 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 here. Okay, next C bar D bar. C bar D bar is 0. CD 0 0. CD 0 0. It's there already. CD 0 0 there already. CD 0 0 here. One more 0 0 here here. CD 0 0 here. So we will get remaining as a 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Guys, have you got same thing for y? Or have I done any mistake? If I have done any mistake, please let me know. Yes, it's correct. Okay, then fill Z. Then fill the column Z. So CD. CD means C equal to 1, D equal to 1. Here I have both are 1. Next is here. CD equal to 1. Next is here. CD equal to 1. Next CD 1 is here. Next A bar C bar. AC 0 0. AC 0 0. Here I have. Here I have. Here I have. Here I have. AC 0 0. Next A B bar A1 A1 D1 B0 101 101. Here I have 101 101. Next to 101. Here I have. So only this is the two combination we will get. So others are 0. Okay, so is this clear? Everybody got same? Everybody got same. Someone check last column. Z. Is this correct? Guys, someone check the last column, Z column. Is that correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ Is someone reply pa? Is the last column is correct? Okay. Hey guys, please reply. Clap. You guys are there? Aditya? Shivani? Apurva? Aditya, is the last column correct? Z Z column. It's not in the straight line, but check it once. Is this correct? Again, no reply. Don't know where you guys went. Okay. 1101. 1101. That is 1101. It should be 0. Okay. Remaining is correct, right? Okay. So now we need to write the ROM structure. So ROM made up of what? ROM is made up of what? What will be there in the ROM? Let me see how many of you will remember. ROM consisting of what? Decoder and memory. Exactly. So output will be at the output side. At the output side, which gate will be there? OR gate. Very good. Okay. Draw the structure. So 4 inputs A, B, C, D. So this is your decoder. Which decoder? 4 to 16 decoder. 4 to 16 decoder. Okay. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Next, similarly, how many outputs? 16 outputs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'll adjust here only. Okay. So first one is M0. First one is M0. It's M1. Guys, you properly write like 0, 1, 2, 3. Just I will write 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You write M8, M9 like that. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 15. So how many outputs are there? 3 outputs are there. 3 outputs are there. Okay. So how many OR gates are required? How many OR gates are required? 3 OR gates are required at the output side. 3 OR gates are required at the output side. So this gives me X. This gives me Y, this gives me Z. M not. So make a connection. So here we will be using the X. So here no matter which is fixed, which is not fixed, like programmable and fixed. So ROM will be represented by X mark. So next second, that is M1. Next, next you have to leave 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that 1, 0. 1, 0 means no connection. Next to 2 connections. Next to 0. Next to 2 connections. So can take all this and all together to obtain X. Next similarly Y. First two are there, second two are not there, next to two, next to two once again, next to two are not there, next one is there, next one is not there, next three. Hope you guys are getting how I am connecting it. So next 0, next 1. So wherever one is there, there put the cross mark. Next first two are used, next not used, next 3, next one is not used, next one is used, and next one is not used. Okay, alternates. Next last one is used, next 1, 2, 3 is not used. So this gives the Z function. Guys are clear? Have I connected? Anyone is having doubt? So if you don't have any doubts, copy it. If you have any doubts, please clarify it. So this is your ROM. Please write down fast. Aditya, it's already shared in the drive. It's already available in the drive. I think after 2 to 3 classes only, I shared it in the drive. So if you take that link, you can. I think some of your classmates are using it. Ask them that link. Drive link. Okay, I'll check. If anyone is using recordings, old recordings, please, if you have that link, please share. Please share it in your class group. If it's not there, I will share. Guys, finished? Next we have PAL. Next we have PAL. Okay, PAL means arrays and arrays programmable or arrays fixed. Okay. So for this, no need to write the table and all. Directly we can draw the diagram. So many inputs are there? 4 inputs are there. How many inputs are there? 4 inputs. So which is that? A bar. Sorry, A, B, C, D. Then we require A bar, B bar, C bar also. So this gives your A. This gives your A. This gives your A bar. So this structure I already explained in the theory. When we are writing PL, we can use these structures. So the upper line gives B. This line gives B bar. Next, C. C bar. Okay. Next we have D and D bar. D and D bar. It's coming very thick. So this gives me A. This vertical line gives me A. So here we have to make a connection. This lines gives A. This lines give me A bar. This lines give me B. Excuse. This lines give me excuse B bar. Similarly C. C bar. D. D bar. Okay, now I need to make the connection. So what is X? So X is made up of 4 products. X is made up of 4 products. Okay. So 4 AND gates are required for the X. 4 AND gates are required for the X first product. First product. Guys, make a note. Dot indicates the programmable. Dot indicates the programmable. We are used in the PLA structure. So A, B bar, D. A is here. A is here. B bar is here. B bar is here. Next to D. D is here. This line. Take these 3 connection and connect it to the AND gate. Connect it to the AND gate. So this AND gate gives the first product. This gives the first product. Next, next product. Next product. Next product is A bar C bar. A bar C bar. A bar is here. Next C bar is here. This as a output we will get A bar C bar. Next is BC. Next is BC. So B is here. C is here. C is here. So this gives the third product. Next is C bar D bar. C bar D bar. C bar is here. D bar is here. Okay, so now I got these four products. Now what I need to do, I need to OR these four products to get X. I need to make a ORing function. I need to make a ORing function, so which gives the X. So here I have a OR function. So this gives me X. This gives me X. Similarly, we need to write it for Y. Similarly, we need to write it for Y. So Y, how many gates are required? 3 gates. 3 gates are required. But here OR is fixed, right? So what is the OR fixed here? OR is fixed to 4 AND gates. OR is fixed to 4, means 4 input OR gate is fixed. So we need to take 4 AND gates only for each OR gate. 1, 2, 3. So because OR is fixed, 4 input OR gate is fixed for this particular problem. So you cannot change it. This gives me Y. Now make the connection. So it is the first product, A bar, C bar. A bar is here, B bar, C bar. Okay. Next product, AC. This is A, this is A, this is C. Okay. Next product, C bar, D bar. C bar, D bar. D bar is here, C bar is here. Okay, we have only 3 products here. We have 3 products. So we are not going to use the fourth AND gate. We are not going to use the fourth AND gate. So you have to put the cross mark here. You have to put the cross mark here. So maximum of what you will do, you will forget to put the cross mark here. You should not forget it. So wherever you are not going to use the AND gate, you have to put the cross mark, which means that this corresponding AND gate we are not using, because R is fixed here. So what's the maximum number of products we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 inputs. So here we are taken 4, means for remaining products also we need to take the 4 inputs OR gate in this. So when R is fixed, so many AND gates are required, use only those many, remaining mark it as a not used. Similarly for Z also. Similarly for Z also. That is also made up of it. So first, second, third, fourth. Here also fourth is not used. Here also fourth is not used. Set. This is OR gate. The shape is not proper. Correct it while writing properly. Then CD. CD. So this is your D. This is your C. No. This is your C. Next, A bar, C bar. This is your A bar, B bar, C bar. Next, A, B bar, D. A, B bar, D. So the fourth AND gate is not used. Take these 3 product terms and R together to get Z. So this is how your PLA, your PAL structure looks. Is this clear? Is this clear? Any doubts? Copy it first. So here it's cross. Here it's dot only. Here it's dot only because here it is dot. I am connected for and. Guess where there is a connection for and, it's dot programmable. So where you will get x, right? Here like you have and gates, right? Here you have and gate. Here you have and gate. Here you have and gate. So output of the and gates are here. Suppose if you place the OR gate bottom. Suppose if you get the OR gate at the bottom, then it will be like this. Then it will be like this. Correct, right? So here you need to place the tick mark. Here you need to place the cross mark. Very clear? Who asked that question? Apurva. Now it is clear. So yearly directly I have given this connection to OR gate, so no problem. So when you place the OR gate bottom, you will be having so many AND gates here. So line will be like this. So among these outputs, you will be connecting. See, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 16 AND gates you will be having total. Out of 16, you will be making use of only 4. You will be making use of only 4. So for those 4, you have to cross mark. So this cross mark indicates it is fixed. So this dot indicates it's variable. So next we have this kind of problem also. Are you clear now? Yes. Copy it. Completed, copied, or you want time to write it? Completed. Guys, please reply fast. See, I solved only one problem for past 1 hour. Take the next question. Implement full adder. Implement full adder using PLA. PAL we did in the last class. PAL we did in the last class. Now PLA. Implement full adder. Implement full adder using PLA. Using PLA. Can anyone give the equation? Equation. So actually you need to write it to table, then you need to find out the equation for sum and carry. Anyone write the equation in the chat box? So sum equal to A bar B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus ABC. So this is your sum. Similarly, we have carry equal to A bar BC plus A B bar C plus A B C bar plus A B C. Is the equation correct? It's correct, right? A carry equation you can carry as it is here, because in the last class I told why we have reduced, just to show that fourth AND gate won't be used, only to show that we have reduced. Otherwise, you can keep as it is and you can do the connection. Okay, so we'll keep as it is and we'll do the connection. So this is your PLA. PLA means both are programmable. Both are programmable. So if you want, you can write the table. So however, now you people know how to write the table. Just I'll draw directly diagram. Structure only I will just write directly. So this gives A bar, B, B bar, C, C bar, D. Hey, D is not there. No, I am writing only three inputs. So how many products are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ABC is repeated. So totally we have 7 products. We have 7 products. So means 7 AND gates are required. So for PLA we use dot. PLA we use dot. Dot represents the both programmable. Okay. So in a right, while solving the problem also, in a right, before writing the structure, just make a note. In exam also better to write. So dot indicates programmable. Wherever using x denotes fixed. Like this, make a note. Then even evaluator won't be confusing, because he may be seeing the answer from the scheme and he will be evaluating. So don't give the chance. Just mention it. Dot indicates the fixed. Sorry, dot indicates programmable. So what is the first product? A bar, B bar, C. So we have to use dot here. So A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. So that is connected to AND gate. This is connected to AND gate. So this gives the first product. Second product. Second product. Second product. So what is that? A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar. So this gives the second product. Next, A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. A is here. B bar is here. C bar is here. So this gives the third product. Last product is ABC. Last product is ABC. A is here, B is here, C is here. So here my dot shape is not proper. You guys also don't write like ketchup pizza. Just write, put it dot properly. So this gives the fourth product. Next is A bar BC. A bar BC. A bar is here, B is here, C is here. See there now. So it's better to write after the AND gate what are the products you are getting. Next is A, B bar, C. A, B bar, See, see this. Next, next, A, B, C bar. A is here, B is here, C bar is here. So ABC we already have. For ABC we have already here. Okay. So now we got the 7 products. Now what we need to get? We need to get sum and carry. So how to take ORing these 4 together will get the sum. ORing these 4 will get the carry. So this first OR gate gives sum. Second OR gates give the carry. Okay. So what are the, I think directly I can write, for some we have used first 4. For some we have used first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the carry, remaining 3 plus ABC. Remaining 3 plus ABC. This is the PLA structure. Who's that muted? So this is the PLA structure for your full add. It's clear? Any doubts? Who is that muted? Fabian. Fabian mute. Guys, any doubts? Any doubts? One second, listen. 1 second, listen. Suppose if this is your PAL, I'll copy it.
What exactly happens on the ball
Have you
is just
copied? Have you copied? Just tell me, have you copied? Because I'll make changes there itself. What about others? All of you copied? Yes. See, suppose if it is PAL structure. Suppose if this is PAL structure, PAL structure. So what will happen here is how many gates you required, how many AND gates are required, how many AND gates are required now, 7 or 8 if it is PAL. Any idea? Yes, exactly. You required 8 AND gates. You required 8 AND gates. Okay, 8 AND gates. So these 3 are there here. The last ABC will be here. Last ABC will be here. A, B, C. Okay. No need to copy, just understand this. We already done by minimizing. Okay. So here connection will be there. Here connection will be there. So by making first 4R, by making first 4R, you will be getting the sum. Correct, right? So how to connect it? Here OR is fixed. OR is fixed. So for fixed, we are using the X symbol. X symbol. Okay, so this is 4 input OR gate. For carry also 4 input OR gate. Which are the 4? These are the 4. These are the 4. Hope now you guys are clear where we will use dot and X in the PAL structure. So here dot represents the programmable. Here X indicates the fixed. The thing here difference is the way how you represent. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes, are you clear with PAL structure of full adder? Any doubts? No. Now you are clear, right? Where to use dot, where to use X. So this dot indicates programmable. This X indicates fixed. Where when you write this OR gate in the bottom. Suppose, ma'am, we don't want to write the OR gate bottom. We will write continuous. We will write continuously. When you write the OR gate continuously, you so no need to represent with X. No need to represent with X. Directly you can take. Directly you can take. So is everything depending on the way how you are going to represent. It gives carry. So the previous problem we are written like this, so you got confused where we are using the X to represent the fixed. So it's depending on how you are, where you are going to place the OR gate. Guys, hope you are clear with everything now, isn't it? Anyone is having any doubt? So fixing dot and X depends on the place where you will place the OR gate. If it is right continuous like this, if it is like continuous like this, no need to use the X. If you are placing at the bottom, then you have to use the X to show the fixed connection. Yes, any doubts? Any doubts in this? Sure, no doubts. So you can expect one question from this part problem. Okay. Sure, you guys don't have any doubts. What, Vishwajit? What is 5? What is 5, Vishwajit? By mistake. Answer is 1 to 5.
0.5%, ma'am.
1, 5. Gaurav Maurya. Is it the time to come to class? Okay, 6 to 10. Okay, 11 to 15. 15. Okay, 16 to 20. 19, 20. Both are not there. 21 to 25. 26 to 30. 31 to 35. 34, 35. 34, not there. 36 to 40. 34, 40. 41 to 45. It is not there. 46 to 50. 49, 50. 51 to 55. 56 to 60. 60. 61 to 65. 61 to 60. 65. It's not there. 66 to 70. 69. 69 is not there, right? 71 to 75. 76 to 80. 78 absent. 81. 81 to 85. 82, 84, not there. 86 to 89. 88, 89. Thank you guys. We'll meet it in the next class. So start preparing very well. Okay. I'll share the question mark. Okay.